Okay, to install OBS Studio on Raspberry Pi 5, open the terminal, type sudo apt install OBS-Studio. Okay, when that's done, go up to your applications, sound and video, start OBS Studio, and you'll probably get this failed to initialize video error. To correct that, close the window, then go back to the terminal and type nano /home /your username /obs.sh. Okay, in your new obs.sh, type in all caps MESA_GL_version_override equals 3.3 space OBS in small letters, then Control O to save it, hit enter, and then Control X to exit. Then type chmod +X /home your username /obs.sh. When that's done, go up to the menu, go down to Preferences, Main Menu Editor, click Sound and Video, then click OBS Studio, then click Properties. And in the command window, replace OBS with /home /your username /obs.sh. Then click OK and click OK. Then go back to the menu and launch OBS Studio. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.